Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can change date of birth on the Gmail. Because sometimes we need to change our date of birth on the Gmail. So in this video I will show you how you can change your date of birth on the Gmail. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, you need to update your Gmail applications. So update your Gmail applications. So after updating, click on open options, and then you will see profile icon at the top right corner. Click on it and then choose that ID on which you want to change date of birth. Then click on manage your Google account, and here you will see personal info. Click on it and then scroll down the page and you will see birthday options. Click on it and then select the birthday. So for example, I am selecting 25 Feb. So after changing, then click on confirm options. So in this way you can change your date of birth on the Gmail. So if you want to choose who can see your date of birth, if you want to show it anyone, then click on anyone. So if you want to keep it secret, then click on only me. So after that, if you want to let people know that it's your birthday, if you make your birthday visible, you can also choose to have it highlighted across the Google service. So if you want to highlight birthday, then click on here. So when you will click on everyone, then it will show visibility to click here. So after that, click on save options. So in this way you can change your date of birth on the Gmail, and you can set privacy how to see your date of birth on the Gmail. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.